Today we're taking a look at this 356 Roadster. These were built between 59 and 1961 by Droits. 2,653 examples were made, not so many remain. They're one of the loveliest 356 you can have. Essentially it was a Speedster with a better windscreen, better weather protection and roll-up windows. So at the weekends you could take off the screen, you could take your bumpers off, your roof off, and you've got your little sport competition car. As far as we can tell, it's all original panels, so all the shut lines and gaps are really, really good on it. It's a 1600S, giving it 75 horsepower, some matching numbers engine, though I think it's probably a little peppier than the 75 horses. The other thing I like is the red vinyl interior, which is original seats, door panels, handles, dashboard. The carpets have been replaced, but that patina really makes it. Even the original clocks and a period radio. It shows 97,000 miles, probably original to the car. Finding one like this is just ideal. You could show it, you can use it, and really, really enjoy it. Really pleasant thing to be enjoying on a day like this. It feels secure, it feels tight, and it feels like it's going to be reliable. Look at that, 356 Roadster from 1960 at Williams Crawford.